I would say let's try to canter a little bit for a moment. Shoulder in. So right there, when she's leaning on your right rein and your right leg, you have to allow yourself to bend her neck a little to the right, and don't interfere too much with the left side when you do that. Bend her in the corner, yeah. There, now when she gives it to you, you can get off the inside rein. Very good, and straight. She doesn't have to do it long, you need to test it. And test it again right here. Will she bend and flex and you not slow the canter down? Not slow the canter down. You see what I'm saying? All those things can't relate at all into coming back at all. You don't want to lose any type of rhythm or tempo right here. Keep coming in, ground cover, bending and flexion on the right leg holds her up, yep, more. She can bend it more to the right for a second. She won't, I promise you, her neck won't fall off. There, bring her back and bend her for a second. And then release a little. That's her reward. Pet her on the right. Exactly. Now test it again. Good, and pet her and release. Beautiful. Now cover ground. Yeah, take advantage of that nice, beautiful top line you just created. Exactly. Sit taller and stronger in your core, but not stronger in your seat. Yeah, little haunches in now. Let's create even a little more bend to the right. Where's her nose? Plenty of haunches, but where's the bend around the inside leg and through the neck? Yeah, and straight. Again, before we make a circle right there in the corner. Right there in the corner. Yep, bend her through the neck. Come on. Yeah, exactly. Now, little haunches in. There you go. Don't let the canter lose any scope. Come on. There, and then pet her. Beautiful. Straight ahead. And take advantage. Put a little more scope to the canter. Good job. Where's the bend? Where's the bend? Work the corners. Yeah. Come on. A little more jump. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Shoulder in. Suppler on that right side, and then I want you to come down center line and half pass to the right. Circle in the corner. Yep, you feel that? A little bit too much resistance right there. Yeah, bend her around that inside leg, keeping that inside leg forward. Now think, straight ahead, almost shoulder in, so the haunches don't start. Circle back and do it again. I'm still not happy with it. Come on, a little more energy. You've got to ride with a little bit more determination right here. Ride out of that and shoulder in with bend in the neck. Come on, now take it into half pass. Yeah, work the right and then give it back to her. Very nice, very nice.